friends, so today I will be making a pistachio cream cheesecake. This is a no-bake cheesecake and these are all the ingredients. First is we have to melt the butter because we have to cook here the shredded pillow pop pastry. So I actually shredded, and this is the pistachio butter and tahini that we will mix with it. So 1 teaspoon of tahini and 1 teaspoon of pistachio. After we fully mix it, we have to put it in our pan, looks like this, and we have to put this in the fridge. Now we have to melt our white chocolate and mix it with 1 teaspoon of pistachio butter, looks like this, melt together with white chocolate. Now once it's mixed, we have to put it at the top of our pillow dough mixture that we. Now we have to prepare for our cheesecake batter. So I have here a Cool Whip and a cheesecake. I also put a teaspoon of pistachio cream with our cheesecake batter. After mixing all together, this should how your butter looks like. So as you can see here, guys, it looks like this, and we have to top this with our pan, another layer. So now we have to freeze it again. So now, guys, we have to melt our dark chocolate because we have to top it with our another layer with our cheesecake. So this is now melted, and I'm going to top this here in our another layer in our cheesecake batter. So as you can see, guys, it's already and then I just garnish it with peanuts. So if you have a pistachio peanut, that would be good, but I only have almond. So this is our pistachio.